You see all these influencers making it big on Instagram. But how do you become a content creator and earn with less than 1,000 followers? I'll tell you right now. I have close to 2,000 followers on my personal Instagram account and my engagement is dead. I posted a carousel yesterday. It got 1 like. That's the realness of not being consistent on Instagram. So what do? You start over and you do it right. But I just mean that you would rather have 200 followers out of which 100 are super engaged, watching all your stories, liking all your posts, watching all your reels, than have 10,000 followers that do nothing for you. So the number of followers doesn't directly result in sales. Now, how do you start creating content on Instagram that actually brings you results and makes you sales? First, you pick your niche. What do you want to create? Who do you want to create it for? What's your ideal customer or audience? Who will watch your reels and read your carousel posts? Who are you helping with your content? Are you providing value? Do you want to provide value? Or do you just want to do this for fun? What's the type of person you want to attract to your profile, and what will they feel when they click on your profile and see your posts, your stories, your highlights, and your main general profile description? Define your niche really well, your target audience, and stick with it with every piece of content you're creating. Second, if your current Instagram account is dead, you can have 100,000 followers, I don't care. Start over. Start a new one and be consistent in it for at least 30 days, and I promise you, you will see results with the right type of content, of course. Then start thinking of content ideas your audience would want to watch, and how will that content make them understand the expertise that you have, the value that you provide, and they would actually want to work with you or buy from you. Do they love seeing makeup videos? Great. So diversify that content. Make short video tutorials on different types of makeup. Makeup tip number 1, eye makeup tip that I never knew before. Use engaging hooks that will gain your audience's attention and will get them to your profile watching more. My autumn makeup routine explained. Mini vlogs on how my makeup stands in pouring rain. Be creative, inspire others, and be inspired by other accounts, but keep your own unique style. And if you don't know what that is, just think of yourself. You yourself are pretty unique, so you can find those things within yourself. Just take a little bit of a moment of reflection. What do you enjoy doing? And try and focus on a niche while you create those types of content. Next, you need to think of quality. You don't have a DSLR to film with? That's completely fine. Use your phone, but use good lighting. Invest in good audio, for example. Make sure there are no background noises when you're filming. If you can do that, don't use sound. Film without sound. And just use natural light when the light is the most prominent on the day. Be consistent. How do you stay consistent? You batch film, edit, and you post videos, reels to drafts, for example, so you can easily post them every day or how often you decide. Diversify your content. Use carousels, use reels, use posts, show up on stories every day, and once you see what works best for your niche, for your brand, do more of that. Create a schedule you can actually keep up to. So if you can only post 2 or 3 times a day, main content pieces like reels or carousels, stick to that 4 weeks, and I promise you it will be more efficient than posting every day for 1 week and then not posting at all. Once you start gaining some momentum, a couple hundred followers that are super engaged, you can start selling. Add affiliate links, create digital products, targeting a problem people have, and you offer the solution with that product. Promote your services if you offer any, and pitch to brands for collaborations. When you do that, make sure to share your analytics, your engagement, share how much people enjoy your content, even if you don't have a high number of followers. Make sure you enjoy the process. If you're only doing this to make money, don't. You'll knock up your head over it for nothing. Find your passion first. Make sure that it is a passion that you also have some skill in. If you don't know how to figure that out, or you don't know what your passions are, you don't know what your strengths are, I created a free workbook for you. Grab it below for free. It will help you determine exactly what your passions are and how good you are at them, so you can choose the best niche for your business. It will actually give you 180 niche ideas for online businesses that you can start an Instagram account in or a business in. Now that's how you become a content creator on Instagram and actually start earning. This is the process you need to follow. Yes, even with under 1,000 followers. Do you need an Instagram audit or some help figuring out your Instagram strategy? You know where to find me, or you can contact me on Instagram. For more tips on boosting your visibility online and selling with social media, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you've enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next one.